Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare creatine versus no creatine to help you decide which is better for your fitness goals. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound stored in your muscles, playing a crucial role in energy production during short bursts of intense activity. Supplementing with creatine can increase these stores, potentially leading to improved strength and power output. We'll explore its benefits, potential side effects, and whether it's the right choice for you. Creatine supplementation offers several notable benefits for those looking to optimize their workouts. Studies show it can significantly boost muscle strength, often by 5% to 15%, and power output, allowing for more effective training sessions. It also aids in faster recovery between sets and can contribute to greater lean muscle mass development. These advantages make it a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. While generally safe, creatine does have some considerations. A small percentage of users might experience mild digestive upset or temporary water retention, leading to slight weight gain. It's crucial to stay well hydrated when taking creatine. Always ensure you're purchasing from reputable brands, and, as with any supplement, it's wise to discuss its use with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Ultimately, the decision to use creatine depends on your individual fitness objectives. If your goal is to maximize strength, power, and muscle growth, creatine can be a highly effective supplement. However, if you're focused purely on endurance or prefer a minimalist approach, you might find it unnecessary. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always prioritize a balanced diet and consistent training, whether you choose to supplement or not.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.